To use Dropified for dropshipping, follow these steps. Sign up. Visit the Dropified website and create an account. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. There's a free trial available. Connect your store. After signing up, integrate Dropified with your e-commerce platform. Follow the prompts to connect your store, allowing Dropified to manage your product listings and orders. Find products. Use the Dropified dashboard to search for products from various suppliers, including AliExpress and others. Utilize filters to narrow down options based on price, shipping times, and categories. Import products. When you find a product you want to sell, click Add to Import List. Customize product details, including titles, descriptions, images, and pricing. Push to store. After finalizing your import list, click Push to Store to list the products on your e-commerce site. Manage orders. Once a customer places an order, Dropified automates the fulfillment process, sending order details to the supplier. The app also updates tracking information to keep your customers informed.